Hello, I'm Tanisha Miller, and I welcome you to a journey that's about to transform your law practice in ways you have never imagined. You're here because you're ready to take a leap into the future, where AI doesn't just assist, it co pilots your journey towards success. Today, we are diving into a game changer for any professional looking to expand their influence. We will be focusing on automating the growth of your LinkedIn network. But not just any automation. We are talking smart, efficient, and AI powered. Let's get ready to explore how Galaxy can become your ultimate networking ally. Now, before we dive into the how, let's talk about the why. In the realm of law, your network is your net worth. LinkedIn, as you know, is the premier professional network. But here's the catch: growing your LinkedIn network can be a tedious task. Manual outreach and follow ups are very time consuming. Now imagine if you could automate this process, not randomly, but in a very targeted and personalized way. This is where AI comes into play, and specifically where Galaxy grabs the spotlight. Galaxy is not just another tool, it's your strategic partner in building a robust LinkedIn network. Think of Galaxy as your AI co pilot navigating the vast universe of potential connections, ensuring you're only engaging with individuals who truly align with your law practice's goal. Now, first things first, let's get you set up. Head over to Galaxy's website and sign up. The process is very straightforward, and in no time, you will begin your networking journey. As you can see, I have Galaxy screen in front of me and I see login over here. It might be a little different for you because you haven't yet installed the extension. In my case, I have Galaxy right here, and that's why I will head over to LinkedIn. In this step, I will be looking for lawyers since I want to connect with lawyers from whom I can grow, learn, and grow. Lawyers because I want to connect with lawyers who are doing exceptionally well in their career and learn from their experience. However, what I see here is a bunch of jobs. I'm not looking for jobs, so I will change it to people. So I get to connect with real people. Now, what I see are countless options, countless people to connect with. I don't want to connect with everyone. I am having a specific goal in mind. So, what I'll do is select all filters, look for lawyers in India who are in Supreme Court of India right now, so I can connect with them. I can change my connections based on my preferences. Right now, it is to learn from the lawyers who are a part of Supreme Court. For this example, I just want to change it to 20 and I want to start from page 1. I want to also, okay, this is what I'll do. I want to have a new one. So I'll create a list and I will say Supreme Court lawyers. Let's do that. Now I have a list called Supreme Court lawyers where I'm importing 20 prospects starting from page 1 of LinkedIn. And I'll just confirm and let the magic happen. So Galaxy will take some time to import all the prospects. Let's wait for that to happen. As you see, 20% is done. We'll wait for some more time and all of it will be done so we can go to the next step. At this point, my import is done. So I'll go to Galaxy. Here you can see that you have successfully imported 20 prospects into Supreme Court lawyers. That's great. So what I'll do next is start a campaign. Now let this load. Here, I want to send them an invitation, which is a connection request plus two messages. So let's tap on this. And the campaign name would be same. Just to customize it further, I will write Supreme Court of India. Let's tap on next. So here I selected from my list. It will add you whether you want to, it will ask you whether you want to add an invitation or not. I do not want to personalize it to that extent. So I will write no and continue. However, yes, you can personalize it. Something I wanted to show you. It will ask you to select a list of prospects to add. And here I'm selecting Supreme Court lawyers, where I have 20 lawyers, 20 prospects. And once it is selected, I will then go to the next step. So I'll just wait for it to be added over here. Now it's asking me if I want to add all the prospects to the list. So I want to add everyone. I do not want to select just a few of them. The next step is to add a note. I do not want to add a note at this point, so I'll just continue. Wait for 1 day after the invitation is accepted. This is something that most of us don't do. We do not try to build a connection, build a genuine connection, I would rather say, after invitation or our connection request is accepted. So what do we do next? I will customize this part and I will write that hi, and I'll type, as a fellow lawyer, I admire your work and would love to learn from your experiences. Yeah, so it is customized. I want to have a warm up before I engage in further conversation. Then I tap on confirm, and then I'll wait for 5 more days after sending the first message, and I'll be sending the second message. So I'll customize this as well, and I will write thank you for accepting my request. I am looking forward to learn from you, and any advice or insights you share would be great. So I will remove thank you for accepting my request, because this is the second message that we are sending. So the person has already accepted our request. So I'll just keep it very short and simple and wait for the prospect to reply or engage with me. At this point, I have set the entire sequence, and all I have to do is click on launch the campaign. Once I click on it, the messages will be sent to the prospect, the list that I have already uploaded over here. And just like that, you can reach out to more people without spending so much of time and energy. So let me know what are your thoughts. You will only get to explore this, love this when you start putting this into practice. And there you have it, a powerful start to turbocharging your law practice with AI as your co-pilot. Remember that Galaxy is more than a tool, it's a growth accelerator for your LinkedIn network, allowing you to connect with the right people at the right time in the right way. So dive in and explore this platform and make the best use of it. Thank you.